Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a FiiO M17 Bluetooth audio player and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If the system is lagging or slow or not responding, or if you're having issues where it's not connecting to Bluetooth or not syncing with your device or not connecting to the Wi-Fi, and you've already tried a soft reboot on it, then you might need to go to the next step and do a hard reset. It will fix a lot of these problems, but you will need to set it up again because everything will be wiped off of it. And that's really the second reason you might want to do this, is if you're selling this or if you bought a used one, or if just for whatever reason you want a fresh start and to use this new as though it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that via the menu on the screen. We're just going to go to the menu and then go to the settings menu, and from the settings menu to the system menu. And from the system menu, we'll select reset options. And then you'll see if you go all the way down to the bottom of the reset options menu, there is a reset all or factory reset that will clear all of the data and restore this to its factory settings.